I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the opening market minute for Monday, April 21st. At last check, both corn and soybeans are pretty narrowly mixed, keeping an eye on U.S. planting conditions. Parts of the Midwest and Plains saw a lot of heavy rainfall and potentially even some storm damage over the last couple of days. That's going to delay planting activity in some key U.S. growing areas. USDA's weekly crop progress and condition numbers are out this afternoon at 4 o'clock Eastern, 3 o'clock Central. The trade's also watching harvest activity in Argentina and second crop development conditions for corn in Brazil, while waiting to see what happens with the tariff negotiations. Wheat's higher, up modestly, supported by a drop in the U.S. dollar index today, also assessing some potential weekend rainfall damage in parts of the U.S. Midwest and Plains. Live and feeder cattle are higher, watching the distribution of this week's direct cash cattle show list. Box beef was lower on Friday, and the USDA's cattle on feed numbers were not exactly all that friendly, but direct cash cattle business was sharply higher last week, albeit in some pretty light trade. And hogs are higher, supported by Friday's sharply higher move in the pork carcass cutout value. If that's sustained, it could be a sign of some improvements in domestic demand as we get closer to widespread grilling season. With the opening market minute for Monday, April 21st, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.